Today, my people, this is video version, and today we are learning how to cut a gown, the long A gown. So now to start with, I'll measure the measurement I'll be using for this tutorial is the bust point is 36. I made the total circumference of the bust point 36, for the under bust 32, for the half length 33, then the length of the gown is 58. Then from my shoulder to nipple point is 9.5, from shoulder to under bust is 12.5, shoulder to half length is 16.5. Then the nipple to nipple, I don't really need that. Then the shoulder is 15, the sleeve is 13, and 12. So now I'll just measure the length of my gown. That's 8. So now I'll pull it out. This is my 58 to 1 inch 59. Then please note that my fabric is on fold. So I'm using this for the front side, and I'm using the joint part. So now I'll come up again. I'll measure from my shoulder to my nipple point, which is 9.5. My under bust is 12.5. Drop it down. Then I don't really need the half length measurement, but let me just drop it down for the sake of this tutorial. Then I'll come down to my hip length. That is from my shoulder to my hip length. For this size, the size is size 10. So for this kind of person, I'm going to determine the hip on 24. You can use from 24 to 25. So now I'll pull it out. This is my 58 to 1 inch 59. Then please note that my fabric is on fold. So I'm using this for the front side, and I'm using the joint part. So now I'll come up again. I'll measure from my shoulder to my nipple point, which is 9.5. My under bust is 12.5. Drop it down. Then I don't really need the half length measurement, but let me just drop it down for the sake of this tutorial. Then I'll come down to my hip length. That is from my shoulder to my hip length. For this size, the size is size 10. So for this kind of person, I'm going to determine the hip on 24. So you can determine hip on 24 or 25, depending on the size of the individual. So now I've done that. I'm now removing everything out. For the nipple point, I'll measure the total circumference of my bust. That is 36. 36 divided by 4 is going to give me 9 inches. Then I'll add my 20 square and that one. I'll do likewise for my other bust. The other bust is 32. That's 32 divided by 4. That will give me 8. Then I added 20 to that. So I said I don't really need the measurement of this place, simply because it's going to be A and A is starting from the under bust, not the half length like those A gown that we have there. This one is starting from the under bust. So now the next thing I will do is just to measure my hip. The hip is 40 inches. Sorry, I did not mention that earlier. The hip is 40 inches. So I will connect the lines. I added 2 inches to the hip too. So it's going to be like this. So after that, I'll come to my length, to the length of the gown, which is 68. Then on that 68, I'll measure the hip by measure my hip measurement, which is 10, that is 40 divided by 4. Then I will add 5 inches to it because I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it, when it is too big and you are walking, it can be entering your laps. So now I'm going to connect the line again, like so. You can see. I connect the lines to these 2 inches, like that, to these 2 inches going allowance here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Next thing I'll do now is to measure my shoulder. And the shoulder is 15, that's 7.5. 15 divided by 2 is really 7.5. Then I'll come down to that shoulder level. I'll measure from there 7 inches. This is 7 inches. I want to use that to determine my armhole. So this is 7 inches. I'll just really slow. And then everything is together. Then I'll come in from 1 inch. So if you are using the French cuff, you may not really need all this one. But since I'm not making it of French cuff, that's why I'm doing it this way. Then I'll just plant this one for it. Here. So this is my A gown. I'll cut it out now so you can see. And I'll do the back. Cutting my front part, I just place it down on the beginning fabric to cut the back part. No, I did not put any zip around because I'm not using zip for this. It's just going to have button at the back. Just small button around here at the back. So now I'll just cut the same measurement out again. So because it's going to have pocket from my hip length, I'll just come up with 6 or 6.5 inches, depending on how fast the person is actually. So I think 6.5 to 7 inches. So I will notch that part, then notch my hip length. So that's where I'm going to fix my pocket. Then I'll come up again to my neckline. Then I'll use, for the neckline, I'll use 3.5 inches. Then come down by, for the back, sorry, let me do it separately. So for the back, I'll measure 3.5 inches. Then come down 1 inch. Good. Then for the front, I'll measure 3.5 as well because I'll be the same measurement for both back and front. So I'll measure 3.5 as well. Then come down by 5 inches for this. And I'll touch it. Okay. So the neck, the shoulder, I will snap the shoulder so that shoulder is not straight. So I will move out here. Then come this way, just snap. So see the neck is not coming down too much. In order to be able to wear, that's why I said I'm using button, I'm not free. So for this, I can come down for like 6.5 inches. 6.5 inches. I'll just split it. Just opening it up like that. 6.5 inches, like going. So this is the back. So if I'm going, I'll cut my facing down. So that you understand when I cut my facing here. part my top and facing. See? It's going to be like this. Right, and this is the front side, turn the face front. And so, turn it back. Then for the back side as well. My facing to for the back, I've got the facing as well. So, it's like this. So, since it's going to have button at the back, we cut something of this nature. We cut, like, let me say, 1.5 inch by 2. Something like this. That's what the button is. 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch by 3. Then you fold it like so. You sew. This is what's going to. This is how it's going to come for the bottom. When you want to sew, you can put paper stay or hair stay on the facing and here as well, so that you give it stillness. Thank you.